guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I went to Ikea. You guys know how Ikea is. Like, you go to Ikea to get one thing and then you get inspired by all the amazing goodness of Ikea, and then you come out with like a trolley of stuff. It's just crazy. So basically I went to Ikea to get a step stool for my son because he is toilet training as well as potty training now, and also my daughter likes to be in the kitchen with me. She loves helping out in the kitchen, so I needed a step stool. The one I had before, I think I got it from Asda or one of these places. No, I think I got it from Boots. Yes, I had a step stool from Boots, but it was really plasticky. Like, it was like very light plastic, and so something happened and it broke into pieces, so I had to get another one. And so I got this one from Ikea. So this is just the normal basic Ikea step stool. I really like this one. It's really like the plastic is really strong. I don't think it's going to break anytime soon. So it's just a nice quality plastic, really. So I got this from Ikea, and it was, how much was it? I can't really remember how much that was, but it was a decent price, maybe £2 or £3. So next up I got some cutleries. So these are just the plastic cutleries. I have these type of cutleries for the kids, but the thing is, I really don't know how come spoons just get missing in this house. I think something happens, and then my husband, I'm gonna hold my husband accountable for this, because he has a way of forgetting that he needs to remove the cutleries from the plate, and then he'll just fling the food, like remnants of food and the cutlery, into the bin. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this, but I'm telling you, my husband doesn't. So I'm gonna hold him accountable for this. So anyways, a lot of the plastic spoons are missing in this house. I've got loads of knives and forks, and I really don't need those, so I need more spoons. I really wish Ikea had like basically just spoons that you could actually pick like maybe 4 and buy without buying like the whole pack like this, but they don't have that, so I bought this whole packet again. So these are just basic spoons. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is just how it looks, and my daughter is really particular about her colors, so she likes having them pink or purple, sometimes orange. She likes orange as well, so I got that for her basically. Next up I got a toilet brush. So every year I like to change my toilet brush. So the other one I had is really old now, so I'm going to throw that one away, and we're going to start using this one. So this is just a basic toilet brush. Whoops, that was quite hard. So this is how it looks basically, and then it has this, cup. So that's just it. So for the toilet I also got this foot mat. So this is just a foot mat for the toilet area, and this is a bath mat. So this is how big it is. So I really like the color. I kind of like gray and some kind of minimal kind of colors. So this is just perfect for the bathroom. I like how soft it is, and your feet will be nice and comfy and cozy and warm when you use this. I actually get all my bath mats from Ikea because I just love their products. So next up I got this throw. This is just a lovely plain throw. It's light gray in color. I could just use this and cover up when I'm lounging on my sofa. So I love the texture. The texture has this kind of lines. It got some kind of lines on it. It's really so cool. I actually just love it. And it's autumn now, so it gets really cold like really easily. So this will be nice and lovely for the weather. So I got that one. And then I got a pack of sponges. These come in pink, cream, and I think this is like turquoise or something. It's not blue, it's not green, it's just in the middle somewhere. So that's the color right there. So this is just, it's a pack of sponges for bathing. Let me see if I can open this one. Oh, it's really locked. It's so locked. I'll have to use a scissors. I think I can do this. So this is how it looks. This is just a normal sponge, really, bathing sponge. So I just love it. I like it. It's just cool and cute, just like that. So it comes in a pack of 3 in this box, and it's really nice to have. I'm going to change the ones I have, because the ones I have started like chipping away and, you know, puffing out and coming out of their arrangement. So I'm going to use this one next. Last but not least is this massive basin. So I went to Ikea. I actually did not want to get this basin, but when I passed the section, I thought about it that actually I need this for my laundry, because the laundry bags I have are like made of cloth and they kind of tear really easily. Like I've got 2 now. I got them from Primark and they've divided into 2, like they're useless. I have to bin them. So I had to get this one. So this one is made of plastic, and the plastic material is really thick, so it's going to last for a very long time. I really like this one. So this is just how it looks. So I'm going to plunk all my laundry into this and take it to the washing, you know. I like it, it's a good one. Basically guys, these are all I got from Ikea. I just love Ikea. I could literally live in Ikea. Like, all the products are modern and so inspiring, you know. They kind of positively inspire young families, I think. You know, if you guys love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Yes, like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.